So in this video, we'll do the unboxing of Dyson V8 Animal Extra Vacuum. It's a cordless stick vacuum I got from Costco. So it was on sale. So let's see what's inside this box and what other components it comes with. And as you can see, the battery life on this one is 40 minutes, up to 40 minutes. And then it says advanced whole machine filtration system and all that. So I'm not gonna read everything. So you can read it, pause the video and read it, and let's do the unboxing. Let's see what's in here. And looks like some manuals. We'll look at it later. Some more papers. These aside. Empty box is packing. Let's see what's more packing. Charging station. This is the charging station. Let's get rid of this. The charging station, I think it should mount on the wall as well. And some more manuals for the charging station and docking station. Some extensions, additional, and we'll take this out later. Some more components, more parts, and the actual the stick, as you can see. Let's put it here. More attachments. Never used any of these attachments before, so it will be interesting to see what exactly and how exactly they perform. Let's get rid of this. More attachments. There's the brush and the roller. Let's put it aside. Let's move the box a little bit further side. See what's in here. More attachments. More attachments. Let's see what's in here. More attachments. And we got more attachments here. And this is the actual vacuum. It's the battery as well. That's it in the box. So I'm just going to take this box and put it aside and move everything away. All the boxes and the packing, so that we can put everything together and see what exactly is in the box. Let's see what's this. There's another attachment. There's the charger. And that's the wall mount. Let's get rid of this. Let's see what's in here. Let's see. Okay. So quick start guide. That's what it is. Use and registration. So that's the quick start guide, and see how to install the charger and how to install how to install the charger. I think that's what this manual is about. Let's put this aside and let's see what's in here. You see more manuals. Yep, just safety information and instructions. Nothing else. That's all. So let's put this back in the envelope. We won't need it. We'll read it later. And that's more instructions on how to install the charger and the base, and how to put the vacuum on the charge. So that's all in this. That's all in the packaging. I've never owned a Dyson before. I had a Eufy vacuum cleaner, but that broke a few months ago, and then this was on sale, so I got this from Costco. So let's see how this thing performs. There's plenty of attachments there, and see how good this is going to perform. And I think there's a filter here as well. As you can see, there are two modes, and here's a trigger. Oh, it's already charged. The battery is charged. As you can see, it shows the indicator. I hope it was not too loud. And I don't know how to detach the battery yet, but we'll figure that out later. And trigger is pretty soft, and I think this is the one that opens the bin. I have to figure that out and see how it opens. I never, like I said, never owned a Dyson before, so I have to figure that out. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching, and if this video was useful for you, and you found it entertaining and useful, please subscribe to my channel. Help me grow this channel, and so that I can create more videos like this much more frequently. I know I've been creating videos very less these days, so I've been busy with other stuff, but finally a video to upload. So please subscribe, and if you like the video, please hit that like button. Likes are always appreciated, and please help me grow this channel. And please let me know your thoughts in the comment, and any ideas if you guys would like me to create further more videos about any other specific product you have in mind. I can try to do that as well. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.